Welcome to DBC Diaries, episode 40. I'm Josh. I'm here with Dr. Joseph Pannick, and he's a veterinarian from up in near Scranton, Pennsylvania, you were saying, right?
Correct.
And you were here, was it last year?
Yes.
Yeah, you were here, and we were talking about how you actually use stem cells on animals, correct?
Yes, we use adipose-derived stem cells. We've used it in several cases, and with much success. Hip dysplasia, problems in tendons and ligaments, autoimmune diseases, things like that, and anything curing from dermatological diseases to orthopedic diseases. It's amazing. The results I know work in dogs, they work in people.
Yeah. Now that's awesome. And the tough part is and I was surprised to learn this, but even in veterinary use, you have pretty much the same limitations in the United States that like human use has, right?
Yes, we do. It's exact, more or less. Yes.
So you can't isolate, you can't culture. And you were telling me it's really tough to find fat on a dog, right?
So yeah, the problem is you have to do an intra-abdominal surgery.
Oh, geez.
You have to do, you actually have to get the fat below the liver.
Oh, wow.
And you would send it out to be processed, and the next day we would inject it either intra-articular or intravenously.
That's awesome. Okay. Well, so if you at home have questions, I mean, you can help your dog's hips, maybe knees.
Yes, definitely.
Awesome. So how would they find you? Do you have like a website?
Well, I'm on my email. Just would look under my clinic and basically for questions.
Okay. Yeah, so if you want to email him, you can just look up Dr. Joseph Pannick out there in Pennsylvania, and he'll help you out. But so you were here last year for your knees.
Yes, definitely
So
knees.
we fixed up, right?
Yes. Veterinarians have many problems with knees.
Yeah, it doesn't sound like easy work. You were just telling me it was snowing back home.
Yes, it was snowing, yes.
Said you had to, get all the animals in, so that's never easy.
Never.
All right. Well, your knees were pretty bad last time. Like, how are you feeling now? Where are you at?
Well, you were bad last time, actually, climbing stairs, putting my pants on, doing anything that you could do, that a normal person could do, in my medial aspect or inside of my knees. Yeah, and a lot of crepitus or crackling also.
Sure.
And basically, I've known and researched stem cells, God, the last 25 years plus. And we know they work. And as you get older, they wear out.
Yeah.
So that's why you need umbilical cord, placental, amnion. And basically, right now, this is my second time. And my left knee is probably 80% better than what it was.
Wow.
Unbelievable. And my right knee is probably 70%, 60, 70% at least. The thing is, as our profession shows us, we should slow down, and it's hard to slow down. And that's what I have to do.
It's what you were just
We need to slow down because I think I burn off before there's true attachment and maturity. But there's a different philosophy we have to have on the second time.
Well, pushing hard is always, it's high achievers. It's what you do. I mean, I'm sure you got a great practice helping a lot of people. That requires a lot of effort. You told me what you drum also, right?
Yes.
So that isn't easy on the knees.
No. The profession in general isn't easy on the knees, any kind of agricultural profession.
Sure.
Yes.
Well, cool. Well, thanks for coming back.
I love it. Great staff. Doctors are awesome. We have people that communicate, people that really care, and they're not going to tell you, let's do it, inject you, charge you money, and say, hey, thank you. No, if you're not a candidate, you're not going to have it done. And that's the big thing. That's the differentiation between the clinics, I think. And we know the good quality of mesenchymal stem cells that you're using, that's very important. But honesty is the number one thing.
Oh, for sure.
And I think that's why you're very successful, along with the staff and you in general. And this is the number one place, I think.
Well, thanks so much. Well, if you'd like to learn more about stem cells and how they might be able to help you, take a look at www.trainbody.clinic. Scroll down on the homepage. All the treatments are listed. You can click on them. They got info, prices, everything's there. Or give us a call. We do free consultations, toll free at 888-704-3977. I'm Josh. Happy to help.